my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of Beyonce's Ivy Park Adidas collection. So I ordered it on Friday and it already came in, and today's Monday. So yay! Okay. So it's just a white box, a brown box, just a white box. Cute. Okay. These are so pretty. Look at that. With Ivy Park. So pretty, right? Oh my god. The details and colors. So I'm really glad I picked these. I love the colors, I love the style. These are the Ivy Park night joggers. I'm really glad I was actually able to get them, because what happened was Adidas sent me an email, I think it was like Thursday, and they said that to download the app and turn on notifications so I could get a push notification to have early access for the pre-launch. And so I got the notification at like, I think it was like 11:30 and on Friday, and I just started going on there, and I noticed you can only buy one item at a time. So I got the shoes I wanted, I got the size I wanted, and I checked out, and then it said shoes were pending. And then at like 12, it said that I got the order and all that. And I was like, whoa, excited! Ivy Park Beyonce Adidas. I just love the color, I love the design, I love what Beyonce and Ivy Park have done with Adidas. Excited to wear it. Comment and tell me if you ordered anything from the Ivy Park Adidas collection. Tell me what you ordered and how it fits, which one wear it with. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.